Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see some other features on the Snapchat Ads platform, which is going to be Camera Kit and Developer Portal. So once we log into the account and we go to Manage Ads, under Develop, there is Camera Kit. So Camera Kit is basically where you can go ahead and shoot your particular videos, specifically which you create. So this is specifically useful for lens scheduler. Okay, you want to schedule your lenses. Okay, all of that becomes possible through the camera kit. Okay, so let's have a look at that. So here you can see the lens folders. You can create a new folder from here. The insights is out here. When you come to camera kit, here we can create a new lens group. We can select from here in this manner. And we can give it a name. In this particular manner, we can create a group. Apps, we had looked at it, so you can also link your apps primarily for creating campaigns for in-app actions. Also, in addition to this, what we get to see on the account is going to be another feature, which is specifically the developer portal. Let's have a look at that developer portal. So the Snap developer portal, which we have here, is ideally useful when you want to do a API integration, application programming interface. Okay, so where you can add members to your business manager, you can pass some public keys which you can add over here, and then you can use that for making changes in the account. Okay, so that is what is developer portal for, ideally speaking. So these are all the information which we would have to provide in order to go ahead and use camera kit and developer portal.